Imagine you are standing in a beautiful park and right in front of you is a huge circular fountain. Water is dancing in the air and the children are playing all around it. Suddenly, your friend challenges you. Can you figure out how much fence is needed to grow this fountain and how much space does it cover? Sounds tricky, right? But don't worry, that's exactly what we are going to explore today. The distance around the circle is called the perimeter, more specifically, the circumference, and the space inside is called the area. Let's just take a few examples. Before we take the few examples, let's just understand this concept that my boundary, the distance around the circumference is known as the outer boundary, which is known as the circumference of the circle. Again, I'm repeating circumference. Look at the figure over here. This figure, the outer boundary, the circle, the outer boundary is known as circumference. The formula for circumference is going to be 2 pi r. And the inner area is more specifically known as the area. Area is pi r square. Pi r square, r stands for the radius. So let's just understand. We have to find the circumference of the circle of radius 7 centimeter. We are given a circle with radius 7 centimeter. Radius is equal to 7 centimeter and we know that the formula for circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Formula for circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Now 2 pi r, what is pi? Pi is an irrational number. There is a standard value of pi that we take. Pi is taken as either 22 upon 7 or 3.14. So in circumference of the circle, we would put the value as 2 pi. We are going to take as 22 by 7 because question is mentioning and r is 7. Now on simplifying this, I can see that 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So in this case, the circumference of circle would be 44 centimeter. Let's move and practice the next question. We have to find out area of the circle also. If we have to find out area of the circle also, then the formula for area of the circle is pi r square. Pi is again 22.7, r is 7 into 7. So 7 and 7 will get cancelled and 22 into 7 is 154 centimeter square. Just remember that area, the unit is square units and perimeter it is just centimeter. Next question is the circumference of the circle is 44 centimeter given to us. We have to find out its radius. Now in the previous question we were given the radius, we have to find out circumference. This is the reverse order question. We are given the circumference, we have to find out the radius. So circumference of circle is 44. So 2 pi r is equal to 44. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 44. So 2 into 22 is multiplied on LHS. If I take it to RHS, it would be divided. 7 is divided on LHS. If I take it to other side, it will be multiplied. So on cancelling all this, I will get radius is equal to 7 centimeter. So radius of the circle with circumference 44 centimeter given to us is 7 centimeter. The next question, the diameter of the circle is 14. We have to find out the circumference. Now, if diameter of the circle is 14 centimeter, I know that diameter is twice the radius. Diameter is 14 centimeter. Then in that case, my radius would become 7 divided by 2, which is 14 centimeter. Because diameter is 2 times the radius. So radius will become 14 divided by 2, which is 7 centimeter. Now I have to find out the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle, the formula that we are going to use is 2 pi r. Now 2 pi r is the formula for my circumference of the circle. At certain places, now in this case, I have not made you change the formula. We are finding out the formula using circumference of the circle as 2 pi r only. But let me give you a tip also. If I'm given the diameter, I can directly find out the circumference. We can use the formula pi d in this case. But if you get confused in two formulas, you can just simply remember 2 pi r as the formula. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7. 7 is my radius. 7 and 7 will get cancelled. Answer is 44 centimeter. The next question is find the area of the circle whose diameter is 10 centimeter. I have to find out area of the circle. Diameter of the circle is given to me as 10 centimeter. If diameter of circle is 10 centimeter, then the radius of circle is going to be half the diameter. We are given from diameter, I have to find out radius. So radius is going to be 5 centimeter. Area of circle, the formula is pi r square. Area of circle, it is pi r square. 22 by 7 into 25. 5 into 5 is 25. So 22 by 7 we cannot put the value over here because the question mentions take the value pi as 3.14. Just remember, it is my choice. I have to choose. I can choose the value of pi as 22 by 7 or 3.14. But if specified, please stick on to that value like specified over here. So my value would be 3.14 into 25, which is 78.5 centimeters square. Next question is radius of the circle is 21 centimeter. I need to find out both circumference and area. Now radius of the circle given to me is 21. Let's just find out circumference and area of the circle. Circumference of the circle, the formula turns out to be 2 pi r. Now circumference, the formula is 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into r. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 21. 7 and 21 will get cancelled. 2 into 22 into 3, that means 44 into 3 is going to give me my circumference. And 44 multiplied by 3, we are going to get it as 132 centimeter. So circumference of the circle is 132 centimeter. Now let's find out the area of the circle. Area of circle, the formula is pi r square. That is 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Again, 7 and 21 will get cancelled. So what I'm left is 22 into 3 into 21. 22 into 3 is 66. 66 into 21 is going to give me my area of the circle. Let's multiply 66 by 21. We'll get 1386 as the answer. So in today's video, we have done how to calculate circumference, which is also the perimeter, the outer boundary of the circle. The value of pi is either 22 by 7 or 3.14. Depending upon how we find the calculation or what is mentioned in the question, we are going to choose pi. This was Avneet from Planet Spa. Keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe. Book your free demo. Check the link in the bio or simply type pspark.in in your browser today. Thanks for watching. So for one-stop solution of all your maths problems, click the link on the description. Select your class. After selecting your class, you just have to add your phone number and get your free demo booked now. Let's start and solve all the difficulties that we are facing in maths.